What are you watching?
What are you watching? Elodie, le film!
I'm still trying to process the sheer horror of my experience at Furama RiverFront, Singapore. It's like a never-ending nightmare that refuses to fade away. As I walked into the hotel, I was immediately struck by the outdated decor. It's like they're trying to transport me back to the Stone Age or something. The lobby, though, was somewhat decent. But, oh boy, that's where the good things end. The room, oh the room. It's like they took all the leftover furniture from the 80s and threw it together in a sad attempt at interior design. The beds, if you can even call them that, were like something out of a bad horror movie. Thin, creaky, and thoroughly uninviting. I felt like I was going to break my back just trying to get comfortable. And don't even get me started on the cleanliness. Or should I say, the lack thereof? The floors were sticky, the carpets were stained, and the air was thick with the scent of mildew. It's like they're trying to create a petri dish for germs and bacteria. I was genuinely worried about contracting some sort of disease. But, you know what the cherry on top was? The service. Oh, the service. It's like they're trying to make me feel like I'm some kind of bother, like I'm inconveniencing them by existing. The staff was slow, rude, and completely unhelpful. I had to ask multiple times just to get a simple thing like a glass of water. And then, there was the tennis court fiasco. I mean, who does that? Tells you there's a tennis court, only to find out it's been converted into a pickleball court? It's like they're trying to play some kind of twisted prank on me. I felt like I was stuck in some kind of bad comedy sketch. But, you know what the worst part is? It's not even the hotel's fault, per se. It's the complete and utter lack of effort they put into anything. They're just phoning it in, collecting a paycheck while the rest of us suffer through their incompetence. It's like they're saying, hey, we got your money, so who cares about the quality of our service? I mean, I've stayed at hotels before, and I know what it's like to have a bad experience. But this is something else. This is a whole new level of bad. It's like they're trying to make me feel like I'm stuck in some kind of never-ending nightmare. And, you know what? I'm not even mad anymore. I'm just sad. Sad that I wasted my money on this dump. Sad that I have to share my experience with the world. Sad that there are people out there who will actually defend this kind of behavior. So, to all you travelers out there, let this be a warning to you. Avoid Furama RiverFront, Singapore like the plague. Trust me, you don't want to go through what I did. It's just not worth it. What do you guys think? Have you ever had a similar experience? Share your horror stories with me in the comments below. Oh, you know, near Furama RiverFront, Singapore, things happen. Like, you think it's all nice, but no. People here, they try to trick you, even in the shops. Makes me sad. Like, one bubble tea shop near Clarke Quay, which is close to Furama RiverFront, you know. Some woman came in, ordered a lot, like 80 Singapore dollars worth, then showed them a fake pay now screenshot. Like, why? You just want bubble tea, just pay normally. But no, she edited it, took out the time, and left. The workers, they only noticed later because the money never came. They called the police, and then, guess what? After everyone saw it online, she came back, paid, and gave an apology letter. Like, what? You only feel bad when you get caught? Probably she just didn't want to go to jail. But now, shops here, they check every payment twice. And then, oh my god, there's this other thing. Fake big orders. Like, some people pretend to be from the army or schools, call restaurants near Furama RiverFront, Singapore, and say, we need 150 packets of biryani. The shop makes it, but then, surprise. No one comes. And sometimes, they even say, oh, buy extra things from our supplier. But the supplier is just the scammer's friend. They take the money and run. 6 people got arrested already, but, how many more? Like, imagine you're a tourist here, just walking near Furama RiverFront, Singapore, thinking everything is safe, and then, bam, you see a shop owner crying because some liar took their money. It's so unfair. I bet the scammers just do it because they think no one will chase them. But Singapore police, they don't play. They catch them sooner or later. Still, why do people have to be like this? Just be honest. That's it. That's all I have to say. Based on my analysis of businesses near Furama RiverFront, Singapore, here's the comprehensive overview, analysis of negative reviews for businesses near Furama RiverFront, Singapore, Chung Caf, This analysis examines recurring complaints and operational shortcomings at Great World Shopping Mall, G.spa Singapore, 24-hour spa, and the Banana Leaf Apolo Indian restaurant, based on negative reviews. Key themes include poor customer service, hygiene and maintenance issues, and inconsistent service quality. 1. Great World Shopping Mall, common issues: poor customer service, multiple reviewers cite dismissive, unhelpful, or outright rude staff. One customer, review number 4, waited 30 minutes at the service counter, only to be turned away by an employee claiming to be off-duty. Another, review number 6, faced condescending treatment over a voucher redemption issue, hygiene and maintenance problems, dirty toilets. Review number 5, cockroach-infested nursing rooms. Review number 3, and broken facilities. Review number 7, suggest neglect and upkeep, parking and signage failures, repeated complaints about chaotic parking. Reviews number 2, number 8, due to a single exit bottleneck and lack of clear signage, pet policy frustrations. Some customers, review number 1, are unhappy with pets being allowed in the mall, citing hygiene, allergies, and religious concerns. Specific examples: a parent, review number 7, reported a rude staff member at a children's ride kiosk who told kids not to touch broken decorations, raising safety concerns. A shopper, review number 6, criticized management for prioritizing profits over customer experience, citing dirty toilets and inflexible policies compared to competitor malls. Takeaway: Great World struggles with basic operational management, from cleanliness to staff training, leading to a frustrating experience for visitors. 2. G.spa Singapore, 24-hour spa, common issues: declining service standards, long-time customers. Review number 1, note a steep drop in massage quality, with rushed sessions and unskilled therapists, poor facility maintenance. Reviews mention dirty, outdated facilities. Reviews number 2, number 6, broken pools. Review number 3, and unpleasant smells. Review number 7, customer service failures, staff are frequently described as indifferent. Review number 1, unresponsive. Review number 3, or even dishonest. Review number 4, number 9, regarding promotions and refunds, noise and disruptions, loud patrons. Reviews number 5, number 6, and smoking in restricted areas. Review number 8, go unchecked, ruining the relaxation experience. Specific examples: a loyal customer, review number 1, reported forgotten food orders, a terrible massage, and management ignoring complaints. Another, review number 4, was misled about a promotion, only to be denied service upon arrival due to a past visit 10 years prior despite prior confirmation. Multiple reviewers, reviews number 6, number 8, complained about smoking in spa areas, with staff failing to enforce rules. Takeaway: G.spa suffers from neglected facilities, inconsistent service, and weak management, making it an unreliable choice despite its premium pricing. 3. The Banana Leaf Apolo Indian restaurant, common issues: inconsistent food quality, many dishes are overly salty. Review number 8, cold. Review number 3, or lacking flavor. Review number 7, some customers suspect ingredient freshness issues. Review number 3, slow and neglectful service, repeated delays in food and drink orders. Reviews number 1, number 6, with staff prioritizing larger groups over smaller tables. Review number 4, poor communication, customers often order unavailable items. Reviews number 2, number 4, or are misled about dish contents. Review number 9, high prices for mediocre food, many feel the cost does not match quality. Review number 5, with basic meals reaching $70 per person in some cases. Specific examples: a diner, review number 1, received a vegetarian meal without gravy, only to be told sambar was chargeable, a deviation from typical Indian dining norms. Another, review number 3, found their $19 mutton biryani undercooked and flavorless, raising food safety concerns. A group, review number 8, left disappointed after every dish was oversalted, with poor meat texture. Takeaway: the banana. Based on the negative reviews provided, here is a focused analysis of the businesses near Furama RiverFront, Singapore. Common patterns and issues. 1. Poor customer service. Many reviewers expressed dissatisfaction with the attitude and behavior of staff, including rudeness, lack of attention, and poor communication. 2. Overpricing and value for money. Several reviewers felt that the prices of food, drinks, and products were not justified by the quality or quantity received. 3. Food quality and presentation. Negative reviews mentioned issues with food quality, including overcooked or underseasoned dishes, and poor presentation. 4. Lack of attention to detail. Reviewers experienced mistakes with orders, incorrect items provided, and a general lack of attention to detail. 5. Uncomfortable ambience. Some reviewers mentioned uncomfortable seating, noise levels, and overall ambience that detracted from their experience. Business-specific issues. 1. The Populus. The restaurant received criticism for noise levels, poor food quality, and high prices. Reviewers also mentioned issues with ordering and receiving incorrect items. 2. J.bar. The main complaints about J.bar were related to poor service, high prices, and a lackluster ambience. Reviewers also mentioned issues with the quality of drinks and food. 3. The Editor's Market. This clothing store received negative reviews due to poor customer service, issues with sizing and inventory, and a lack of attention to detail. 4. Manhattan. The bar received criticism for poor service, high prices, and a decline in quality over time. Reviewers also mentioned issues with reservations and cancellations. Recommendations for improvement. 1. Invest in staff training. All businesses could benefit from training staff on customer service, communication, and attention to detail. 2. Review pricing and value. Businesses should reassess their pricing strategies to ensure they are providing value to customers. 3. Improve quality control. Restaurants and bars should focus on improving food and drink quality, while retailers should ensure accurate inventory management and sizing. 4. Enhance ambience. Businesses should consider feedback on ambience and make adjustments to create a more comfortable and inviting atmosphere. By addressing these common patterns and issues, businesses near Furama RiverFront, Singapore can improve customer satisfaction and ultimately drive growth and reputation. This analysis covers all the businesses analyzed in the area and provides insights into what travelers can expect when staying near Furama RiverFront, Singapore.